Hello everyone. Today I'm very happy to be Vinay from India. He is our code contributor in Elastic Contributor program for the award cycle of 2021. Hi, Vinay, how are you?
Hello all, and I'm good. So it's happy to be part of Elastic Gold Contributor Program.
That's great. We are very happy to invite you today for the video interview. Could you please share more detail about yourself, like your background and your story with the Elastic community, and how did you find out Elastic Contributor program?
Yeah, so I am Sai Vinay. So I am a software developer at Wipro Technologies. I work mostly with Python and Java and a lot of backend development. So it's been really good contributing to Elastic community, and there's a lot of helpful people out there helping me while contributing, and it's been a good ride so far.
Great. What was the main motivation for you to join Elastic Contributor program?
Initially, I started contributing to the repositories. No, I initially had no idea about Elastic Contributor Program, but once I started contributing out of interest, so maintainer Seth Larson has reached out to me and said, "Yeah, there's a contributor program, and you can start putting your contributions in there, and there are some exciting benefits to it." I thought, "Yeah, anyhow, I'm doing contribution. Let me just put things in that so that a wider part of Elastic community knows what great things I'm doing, and they can take inspiration out of me as well."
That's cool. We have many contributing types like video, speech, or blog code contributing. So, what was your favorite contributing type?
Yeah, so I did mostly on the code side contributions. I know it's a really tough part of contributing on code side because Elastic is a really good product and there are certain standards to it, and there's certain state we have tried the coding onto as a really perfect type of coding. So when I started, it was like I wrote a piece of code, iterating it over and over and again to get near perfection and submitting it to the repositories, and the maintainers have been really helpful, and they have been reviewing my code, and they're giving me some positive suggestions to help my improvement on the coding side and also to get a better code for the Elastic product as well. So since mainly I contributed to mostly code side, so I think it's been really good, and I learned a lot of things while contributing which I haven't known previously, and I have learned a lot about Elastic and its products as well across the ELK stack as well.
Cool. So, when you contributed to Elastic Contributor program, so what was your biggest challenge for you?
So there was this one contribution to which I was contributing, which is on the adding a new feature to it, which hasn't previously been there on the code side. So it was a really challenging task. I took it over like 10 iterations to do it. I spent around, honestly, 3 weeks to do that contribution. And I really took the best out of me trying reading articles, reading about Elasticsearch, watching some videos on YouTube, and doing a lot of stuff to reach that perfection. And once I submitted the contribution, honestly, the maintainer appreciated me and said, "Okay, that's a great contribution," and he suggested me some changes. And the happiest moment was that contribution was being accepted by Elastic, and I think that was my biggest contribution and the most happiest point in my entire contribution program.
Very good. To your professional career, so being part of the contributor program, so what's the benefit for you, do you think?
Honestly, in my current day job, there is no use case with respect to Elasticsearch, but honestly, I had an interest of learning Elasticsearch to make sure I'm up with the concept, and I was planning on doing a certification as well because search is really good thing, and with a lot of data growing worldwide. I mean, it's all data in the world, so search is really important thing, and learning search techniques is really helpful as well. So I think Elasticsearch search was a good place to start. Right now, I may not have any use in my a day job, current day job, but in future it might be useful. And Elasticsearch is one useful product which can be applied to any data as well. So just keep learning it so that it might help me sometime in the future.
Awesome. Right now we have moved into the new award cycle about New Year.
Yeah.
So, if you can give advice to someone who has interest in Elastic Contributor program, what would you tell them?
Yeah. So first thing is don't be afraid to do any contributions to the Elastic Code repository, and anything to Elastic. I mean, people are really helpful over there, and people really they want to interact with the community, and they want to make best out of the community. It helps in building a great product as well. So don't hesitate to contribute. And if you have any questions, shoot out right away to the maintainers or Elastic support team or anyone. Reach out to anyone, and people are really helpful to that point. And once you get clarifications on something, and then you can start making contributions, and let's build a great community, and let's build a great product, and there's nothing stopping us. And let's ask people, let's connect more with people, and let's do more contributions which will help us a better Elastic product and a great contributor cycle.
That's great. Thank you very much for your time. And we look forward to you continue being with us and contribute to the contributor program.
Yeah, sure. I'm looking to contribute this cycle as well, just continuing the same pace which I had last year too.